Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, we've heard about IKEA, and they used to have breakfasts on Fridays, and somebody told me about the breakfast, like full English breakfast and all. So we want to go there and try it out and see how it looks like. So we are on our way to IKEA. So guys, this is IKEA. See IKEA? So guys, IKEA is a very big furniture store, and they sell furniture in cheaper prices, and it's very affordable. And there are furnitures you can easily assemble, just buy them or order them and just assemble yourself. It's very simple. They will give you the directions on how to fix them. So guys, we are in the environment. IKEA, very big. Yeah. So guys, I will look for a time to come and do videos on the furnitures and the display to check how the furnitures, for you to know what they sell here. But today it's just to go and have the breakfast. So come along with us. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all, my returning subscribers. And if you're just coming to my channel, my name is Esther. Please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do have a lovely day and come along with us, please. We are walking towards the entrance. So for those that don't know, if they open by 10 a.m. in the morning. So the breakfast section open by 10 a.m. in the morning. So we are going there. See, there are different sections. You can see that's how the environment looks like. If you can see, they say IKEA home furnishings. Welcome to the kitchens. So guys, we are in, and this guys, this is it. See, guys, can you believe all this is for 13 pounds something? The 3 trays here, 13 pounds something. All this for 13 pounds something. Yeah, very affordable and cheap, so you can try it out. This hot chocolate, hot water. So want to take in the queue to take tea, hot chocolate or water, anyone you want. Hot chocolate.
Sorry, sir.
So guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for coming along with us to IKEA, and thank you for your support always. Please, if you've not subscribed, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do have a lovely day. Bye.